Multiple choice question, Chapter 36, Inflammatory Diseases of the Pharynx. A 16-year-old boy presented with acute pharyngitis. What is the common microorganism responsible for this condition? It should be noted that acute pharyngitis is caused by both viruses and bacteria, but viruses are the most common causative agent responsible for acute pharyngitis. The most common viruses are adenovirus and rhinovirus and influenza virus. The bacteria responsible for acute pharyngitis is Haemophilus influenzae virus, non-hemolytic streptococcus, and beta-hemolytic streptococci. Complete blood picture was advised in a 20-year-old male patient who presented with acute bacterial pharyngitis. What will be the finding on this investigation? Complete blood picture will show a rise in total leukocyte count. In bacterial pharyngitis, there will be a rise in total neutrophil count. A 38-year-old female patient came with a complaint of dysphagia for solid food for last 2 to 3 months. On examination, she appeared to be anemic with chylomicria. Blood was sent for hemoglobin in iron studies. Which of the following findings would you expect in this patient? Option is B. Raised iron binding capacity. Microanemia is present. What is chylonychia? A condition where outer surface of the nail becomes concave, also called as spoon nails. 4. A 5-year-old boy was brought in here with a complaint of sore throat and fever for last 2 days. On examination, there was a yellowish membrane of the tonsil and oropharynx. His temperature was 100 Fahrenheit and pulse was 140 per minute. Throat swab was sent for microorganism. Which of the following organism in the report would you expect? The diagnosis for this scenario is pharyngeal diphtheria. Pharyngeal diphtheria is a pharyngeal infection caused by gram-positive bacilli or Klebsiella bacilli or Corynebacterium diphtheriae. The incubation period for Corynebacterium diphtheriae or pharyngeal diphtheria is 2 to 7 days. Clinical features of pharyngeal diphtheria includes sore throat, fever, low grade. Fever should not be more than 101 Fahrenheit. Weak and disproportionately rapid pulse, severe toxemia, presence of false membrane over the tonsil, cervical lymphadenopathy, myocarditis, nephritis, and neuritis. The most important diagnostic part for pharyngeal diphtheria is fever, low-grade fever, and weak and disproportionately rapid pulse. Incubation period is 2 to 7 days. What is the age group in which pharyngeal diphtheria is most common? School-going children. Option C, 6 to 12 years. 7. A 4-year-old girl came in ER and clinically suspected to be suffering from pharyngeal diphtheria. What complication can occur if diphtheria antitoxin is not given immediately? Option A, myocarditis and muscle paralysis. 8. Diagnosis of pharyngeal diphtheria was made in 6-year-old girl who came with some finding on clinical examination. Which of the following finding is typically suggestive of this condition? Disproportionate rapid pulse and low-grade fever, but here is only disproportionate rapid pulse. These are the most important diagnostic point for pharyngeal diphtheria. A 19-year-old male patient presented with cervical lymphadenopathy and sore throat with superficial ulceration in the pharynx. His ENT consultant suspected him to be a case of infectious mononucleosis, so pal bunal tests and monospot tests were advised. What is the time duration when these tests will become positive? Option A, first week of the disease. Pulmonal and test and Monospot test. These are serologic tests for detection of antibodies against the viruses. These tests are usually become positive in the first week of the disease, although around 10% of the patients never develop a positive test. Infectious mononucleosis is a systemic infection which is caused by Epstein-Barr virus. Some clinical features of infectious mononucleosis includes the most common manifestation is the enlargement of cervical lymph node which are painful and tender. That is why the condition is called glandular fever. It is also called glandular fever. Prodromal symptoms appear in 4 to 7 days: cervical lymph nodes enlargement, fever low grade, sore throat, splenomegaly, hepatomegaly, skin rashes if ampicillin is given.